Welcome back, guys, to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this LCD wooden clock. So let's see what they give you inside the box. You get a manual. Alright, so this is it. Just a square box. Lightweight. Touch sensitive. On the back here you have all your buttons. You got your year, minutes, date, month, Celsius, Fahrenheit, hour, lock, alarm, date set, time set, alarm on, off, and so forth. Under here you have your battery compartment, which takes 3 AAA batteries. Not a problem. We got some awesome batteries here. Alright. So this is what it looks like with the batteries plugged in. So it says the temperature, the month, the day, the humidity level, your time, and the seconds as well. So you got the hour, the minutes, and the seconds. Now I don't know if on the camera it's reversed, but you know, in person it's not. So let's see here. Yeah, you just simply set things. Then when something is set, you just slide this button up to lock. That locks in your date, time, and everything. If you want to set your alarm, you just pull it down by 1, and then you set your alarm. If you want to set your date, you pull it down by another 1, set your date. Yeah, so you just simply pull it down if you want your alarm on or off. There's a button on the back as well. So very simple. For Fahrenheit, you just press the button and it tells you Fahrenheit then. So you can change everything you see on the screen here. It is light, so you can turn the light on by tapping. And all you have to do is tap that and it will come on. I think it's auto off as well. So after a little time passes, it automatically goes back to dim. So as you can see right here, we tap and it comes on. Leave it alone for a little bit here and it goes right off. So the backlight does come on. So that's for at night time if you just want to tap and check it. Overall, check out the manual for more features, and that's what it looks like.